Hello everyone. Continue from previous topic Manage Fiscal Year. This video will talk about the last function in Manage Fiscal Year, which is Manage Period Lock. In order to access Manage Period Lock, first, you need go to Tools, then, Manage Fiscal Year. You are able to find Manage Period Lock button in Manage Period Lock window. Manage Period Lock allows you to lock the months of the selected fiscal year to prevent further amendment. Select the fiscal year, then, click Manage Period Lock. Period Lock window will appear. The months within the fiscal year will be in the listing. On the right-hand side of Period Lock window, there are a few buttons. OK. Confirm the changes made in Period Lock. Cancel. Close the Period Lock window. Tick all checkbox in the listing will be ticked. Untick all checkbox in the listing will be unticked. Manage exceptions. Allow specific users to make amendment in the months that is locked. If you need to lock specific months only, you can click the checkbox beside the selected month, which the checkbox is under Lock column. Select the month that is locked, and click Manage Exceptions. Manage Exceptions window will appear. The listing will show all the functions and users and groups that are exceptions. Select the function and tick the user ID or group. Then, click Apply to apply the exceptions for the selected user ID or group. The selected user ID or group will appear in the column of users and groups in the listing. After done, apply the exceptions, click Close to exit the Manage Exceptions window. The exceptions that I have set are for Cashbook and Journal Entry of Admin's user group. Now, let's try and see the result. First, when you create, edit, or delete a document in the period that is locked, this message prompt will appear upon you click Save. This message inform you the period is locked, and you can unlock it in Manage Period Lock function. Now, let's go to Cashbook entry. You will notice you are unable to save the document that is under debtor or creditor related. However, you are able to save the document without debtor or creditor related. The reason is because Cashbook entry are for someone other than AR and AP, while debtor and creditor-related documents are under AR and AP modules. That's all for Manage Period Lock. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.